Hi, this is Danielle, and this is my video for Module 3 Lab called the App Video Walkthrough. The app that I chose is a Prodigy app because one of my clients I used to work with in the school setting has used this app game during their math class. And I have seen how excited he gets during math class because they would use this Prodigy game or app. The Prodigy is an engaging curriculum-aligned math that motivates 1st to 8th grade students to learn and practice math in home or in classroom setting. And the great part about this app is that you can have a free account, and this app is very engaging, motivating, and makes learning math really fun for all students. So this is the start of putting in your username and password in Prodigy. But first, I just wanted to show you guys some, if you're a teacher, I want to just quick walkthrough for you. All right, so this is the dashboard as a teacher, and there's, oh no. Anyways, you just go ahead and log in. I'm just gonna put in my account. Oh no. Okay. I really don't like how I forget my password sometimes. All right, so I'm not a robot, and then we log in. Okay, that is a wrong password. I'm not a robot, and we log in. All right, there you go. So this is the dashboard of quote unquote my classroom. I just did a mock students, so I have 3 students over here. So I created my classroom placement test, I added students, and then I will have my students play, and then I can view the report. So I can see, so I just did a mock players. So I've been using Javier, and so far I can see that he has 3 correct answers. And here's the weekly in home and school. So that is really great how there is some sort of data. So that's really great. And then here are my students, the assessment, and there's the reports. But in the time being, I want to walk through mostly with the Prodigy and how that works. Okay. Oops. So we're gonna sign in. So usually for that, they give you a class code and then a student list. And then so we can sign in, and I don't want to save it, and then I just...
Are you playing from home or from
Let's
school?
do home this time. So this is really fun. It's kind of like a video game.
Now, before we go further, you'll need to choose your very own pet. These are choose which...
Let's choose that little one.
Seems like...
Alright, and then I want to go ahead and there's a wizard battle, and this is where we do the math. So click and then cast battle, and it shows, gives you feedback that is correct, and that is how it attacks. With the correct answer, it will attack. So let's say I know the correct answer is circle here. I love how that's giving you a feedback of, hey, click circle. But let's see what happens when we pick triangle. Oh. And I love how they will give you, oh, It says see the answer. Square. Okay. So let's see. Oh, okay. So I guess the opponent attacks if you had a incorrect answer. So this is a square. Yeah, so I love how that gives you kind of, feedback, and it also
A circle is round. A circle is round.
tells you in audio. Okay, so square and cascade. There you go. So that is pretty much it.
To add a monster to your, just tap.
Alright, let's do this one more time and one correct, and there you go. And then we get a new pet. That is awesome. Alright, so that is pretty much it, and again, I love this app. It's really fun, even for me. As a quote-unquote teacher, I enjoy playing this and showing it to you guys, walking through it. It just also reminds me of my own childhood for having some sort of, because I also used to play video games when I was younger, but this is just so much fun and how interactive it is. But yeah, well, thank you guys for watching. Bye.